Hello, nursery students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Yes, and safe. Okay, so are you learning nursery rhymes or not? English rhymes आप लोग learn कर रहे हो? Yes or no? Yes, you have to learn the nursery rhymes. Okay, so this is your nursery rhymes book, right? You have your nursery rhymes book with you, everyone? Yes, good. So today we will revise some nursery rhymes. Okay, you have to learn the rhymes. Okay, आपको learn करना है rhymes. Okay, in your book page number 5, you got chubby cheeks. You got chubby cheeks. So let's sing chubby cheeks. Everyone knows this song, right? Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Right? We will sing one more time. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. So children, you have to learn this rhymes, chubby cheeks, right? Okay. Next song is one, two, buckle my shoe. You have to revise this song. One, two, buckle my shoe. One, two, buckle my shoe. Three, four, shut the door. Five, six, pick up sticks. Seven, eight, lay them straight. Nine, 10, a big fat hen. One, two, buckle my shoe. Three, four, shut the door. Five, six, pick up sticks. Seven, eight, lay them straight. Nine, 10, a big fat hen. You have to learn this rhyme also. One, two, buckle my shoe. Yes, with actions. आपको action के साथ learn करना है. This song, one is Chubby Cheeks and one, two, Buckle My Shoe. Okay, now the next one is Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Yes, I know you know the songs, right? So let's sing. Teddy Bear, turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Teddy Bear, polish your shoes. Teddy Bear, off to school. We will sing one more time. Teddy Bear, turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Teddy Bear, polish your shoes. Teddy Bear, off to school. In your nursery rhymes book, page number 22, you have got Teddy Bear, and in your book, page number 11, you got 1, 2, buckle my shoe, and page number 5, you got chubby cheeks. So you have to learn these three rhymes, revise these rhymes with action. Action के साथ आपको learn करना है. Yes, I had already taught you in online classes, right? In with action. So you have to learn these three rhymes. Okay? Okay, children, with action. Okay? Take care.